Hello, my dear friends. My name is Mayu, and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, How to Buy NW. If you are a content creator, imagine what happens if you could every morning see what topics around your focus interests are exploding on YouTube. Not just the videos with the most views, but the videos that are getting hundreds and thousands of views in a few days, or even generating thousands of likes and growing unusually. And that's the information you need to decide what you should talk next to your audience. That's exactly I am building today. And the interesting part, I'm not using some expensive social media intelligence or AI platform. I am using it building freely available Google's YouTube API, Google Sheet, Google App Script. Now, let's check this out what I'm creating. Let me quickly show you like a manual search. How much time this does it typically take? If I go ahead and search a video and then decide to take the views of that video, you know, how much is that being performing, and since when they've been uploaded, I can certainly find interesting videos, but it's not repeatable, obviously, and I always spend a lot of time and want to make sure that I'm utilizing my time well. And that is when I created, you know, this simple agent. I will not even call it an agent. It's going to be, like an automation where, first of all, I'm using YouTube's data API, and I'm using Google App Script, and using the API, I'm saving some of these search in the Google Sheet, and then adding it to the trend data set. So that's basically the first version of the solution I've already created. There is no complicated backend, no AI agent, just simple automation. And if you see here on the screen, I've been now this is YouTube's data API which I'm doing. This data API has a generous free tier, so feel free to use that. And uh, now with respect to the code which I have written, this is the Google Sheets app script which I'm using right now. Now, in this app script, there I've written multiple functions right now. I'm planning to upgrade this AI agent, but for now, you can focus on the search, YouTube, and save function, which is giving me the details about all the videos, the ranks of the videos, uh, and then also start from searching like a specific keyword, then goes on to you know parsing those details which are needed, uh, and honestly all the errors have been handled clearly in this. To get the number of view count, like count, comment count, all those, then help me generate the viral score, the viral category, etc. Give me channel title. Now this is how the final output looks like. This gives me the video video ID, channel, URL, publish views, and for many such videos I've already called. If you click of a button, I already got which video is performing how, and maybe I can analysis on top of it, and see, understand which video is going to be working really well for my channel. So this is how I feel it like a quick automation for my video. So friend, this is how I created a simple automation which helps me save a lot of time. You know, when you are creating content, the first question is what you do focus on. And that's what this automation is solving. Now, after I get all the information in this Google Sheet, that's not the end. That's only give me a data pipeline which helps me to extract the relevant YouTube video information of how to make sense of that. Now, I can choose to do some analysis in the Excel sheet, or I can create an AI agent on top of it, which will give me an analysis of what's happening on those videos or the new videos which actually focusing on. So now, the next time when I feel, I'll show you how an AI agent on top of this data can be created and help save us a lot of time which which goes into the planning all this content. If there is anything else you would like me to cover, do let me know in the comment. And if you like this video, do like and subscribe the channel. If you think it can help someone, please share this video with them. I'm looking forward to having a discussion with you as a next. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.